All right, guys, welcome back. A few small jobs have taken place. Obviously, we got the big old C1 project that you know about. It's kind of the big project that I'm part of right now. But in terms of smaller stuff, we've had like this Mark IV, I believe, MX-5 rear bumper come in just to do a little kind of crash repair style fix on it. It's quite a special Mark IV MX-5. It's I can't remember what it's called, but it's like a competition style thing. 30th anniversary, thanks Chris, that's the one. So there's like 30,000 of them or something like that. So I tried to save the part number there in case that's important. Couldn't say, to be honest, but that's what I did. It got rear-ended around about here-ish. This was all like crumpled in. So I just popped it out, plastic welded where it needed to be plastic welded, made it the right shape again, brought the body line back and gave it a lick of paint. That's about it, not much to it. It's a new car comparatively to what I usually work on, so there's lots of wires and stuff that I'm not used to in taking it off, but we got it done, just putting some shit back together. I mean, pardon my language. Just putting some stuff back together on it, like badges, number plates, parking sensors, tow bar, cover, thingy-mabob, and yeah, basically just gonna put it back on. You'll probably see that soon. And yeah, that's about it. And it's just finishing touches now, getting it running. It's been running quite rough after putting it back together. Last minute additions, we got a new distributor, but it was the wrong one. So we're still waiting on a distributor, new ignition coil. Gonna do a carb rebuild, but I think that'll be in a while. But other than that, yeah, putting it back together, squaring everything up and cleaning. C1, first panels are finished. No, I'm playing, they're not finished, but we have started. Basically, fiberglass panels, right? They've been outside for a while and we've looked over them. We've had the patchwork done by other people and it's come back to us now. So I've had to draw out the moisture of it. So basically we've just got these in the booth here. We put it on bake, left it for a few hours at a lock temperature. Fiberglass is like shock heat stuff, so you don't want to go too hot and all stuff like that. But basically we've drawn the moisture out of it and now sealed it in its current state with 5 coats of LS107 epoxy primer. Basically the idea of this is to, one, protect it, give a decent, fairly thick base to work with and kind of see where all the flaws are. I mean, you can now definitely see, you can see it before because these panels have definitely been through the wars a little bit, but now that the epoxy's on it, you can really start to see like what's wrong here. This is meant to be a nice, lovely swoop. It's definitely not that anymore. Lots of ripples and deformation all around them, and this one's pretty good, so quite happy about that. But basically it's the first step in the process of actually getting paint on there and making everything flat. So yeah, now that we've done this, it will just be sanding it down, putting the filler where it needs to be, getting the shapes right, making sure the panel gaps are correct. So we're gonna get the shell on the chassis once that's all been sealed as well, and make sure that these gaps are nice and we're all happy moving forward. And yeah, we'll keep doing that, testing it as it goes along. But this is really step one, and a lot more to come. But yeah, everything has to go through this bit here. So these are the first ones to get sealed and ready for the blocking. So.
Right, big day for the Lotus. We are 3 or 4 hours behind schedule, but anyway, Chris is all good to go. The Lotus is sorted. Yeah, we're off to a good friend of ours, Vincent's, at Vincent's Motorworks in Stradbrook, going for an M.O.T, wheel alignment, headlight alignment, and wheel balancing as well. So little list of things for Vincent to get through. But yeah, we'll see you on the road and enjoy some lovely grey British scenery and muddy puddles, and we'll see you there.